And now we're gonna go 1, 2. Gonna yarn over, insert it into this stitch, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, insert it into here, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, yarn over 2, yarn over 3. Okay, this will look. Now we're going to yarn over. Here's the first horizontal bar. Here's the second horizontal bar. First, second, insert it into the second. 3. Insert it into the magic loop. 4. 1, 2, and 3. And we have second loop. Now we're going to see this line growing. This is where we're working, so yarn over. Pulling a loop through there, 3, pulling a loop through the magic ring, 4, 1, 2, and 3. Do it one more time, so we're going to yarn over. Inserting it into here, 3, tighten this loop a little bit so we have some more control, inserting it into there, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work our way back down to the magic loop. We're going to slip stitch. So we're going to go here, slip stitch, here, slip stitch, and finally into the loop. We're going to slip stitch. So this is the first half of our bow. Now we're going to do it all over again. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Let's go 1, 2, yarn over, insert it into the chain, pull up a loop, and back into our magic loop, pull up a loop. So we've got 4 here. 1, 2, and a third one. Now we're going to do the whole thing again. So we're going to yarn over. Here's our first horizontal bar, second horizontal bar, right in here. 1, 2, 3, into the magic loop. There's our fourth loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Working them off in pairs. So now we're gonna make our way back to our magic loop by slip stitching down. So again, here's our first horizontal bar, slip stitch there. Oops. Here's our second horizontal bar, slip stitch there. And again, we'll slip stitch right into there. this point, we can cinch our little thing. Here's our tail. I'm going to take and cut my yarn. Actually, I'm going to cut a long tail. And put that through. Cinch it up. And I like to leave this open just a little bit. And then when we'll use our tail to sew it on, so we'll just use it over. Six-ish times. And there we go. Cute little bow.